Deb's Villa Cucina. Today I'm going to show you how to make an eggless eggnog. What I've done is I've soaked a half a cup of raw cashews for about 4 hours. And now here's the recipe. I put the cashews in. Here's a cup of water. In here I have a cup of almond milk, you can use soy milk, and a full cup of full coconut milk, teaspoon and a half of vanilla, and I never mind having extra vanilla. In here I have a teaspoon of cinnamon, as well as an eighth of a teaspoon of nutmeg, an eighth of a teaspoon of cloves, and an eighth of a teaspoon of cardamom, 5 tablespoons of sugar. Let's blend it up and see what we come up with our eggless eggnog. It's probably best if you refrigerate it for a couple of hours. Not bad. Try it. I might put it in my coffee.